Replacing a door can be an exciting upgrade to your home, enhancing its curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. However, the process requires some preparation to ensure the replacement goes smoothly and without unnecessary disruptions. If you're considering a door replacement in Dallas, proper planning can make the project quicker, more efficient, and less stressful for you and your family. Here's a helpful guide on how to prepare your home for a smooth door replacement experience. Choose the right door for your needs. Before any work begins, it's essential to carefully consider the type of door you want. Dallas homeowners often look for doors that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Whether you're replacing an entry door, patio door, or interior door, take time to research the options available. Materials, style, insulation properties, and security features all play a role in making the right choice. Consult with a door professional to discuss your needs, budget, and style preferences. With so many options on the market, a professional can help guide you to a door that suits your home's architecture, climate, and your personal tastes. Clear the area around the door. One of the most important steps in preparing for door replacement is clearing the space around the door. Moving furniture, decorations, or any obstacles from the door area will give the installers plenty of room to work. If you're replacing an exterior door, make sure the walkway is clear, as the installers may need to bring in heavy equipment or large sections of the door. In the case of interior doors, move any nearby furniture to prevent it from being scratched or damaged. This step also helps reduce clutter and ensures a safer work environment for the installers. Secure pets and children. Construction projects can be noisy, dusty, and sometimes unpredictable. To ensure safety and minimize stress, secure pets and children away from the area where the door replacement will take place. If you have young children or pets that tend to get curious, it's best to keep them in a room that's far from the work zone. Let your family know about the project ahead of time, and consider setting up a temporary space where everyone can hang out while the work is in progress. Prepare for dust and debris. Even with professional installers, replacing a door can create some dust and debris. Make sure to cover floors near the work area with drop cloths or old sheets to protect your carpets or hardwood floors from dirt and dust. You can also cover any furniture near the door with plastic or fabric to prevent damage. Additionally, if you're replacing an exterior door, be mindful of the weather. A door replacement can leave your home temporarily exposed to the elements, especially if the work involves removing the old door before the new one is installed. Ensure you're prepared for any rain or unexpected temperature shifts. If your door replacement involves an entry door, it's wise to plan for the project during a dry day to avoid weather-related delays. Coordinate with the installer for timing and access. Communicating with your door replacement company ahead of time is key to ensuring the process goes smoothly. Confirm the scheduled time for the installation and make sure someone is available at home to provide access to the installers. This is especially important for exterior doors, as installers will need to carry the new door in and out of your home. Discuss any specific details with the installation team, such as whether you want to reuse hardware, need adjustments to the door frame, or have specific preferences regarding the placement of the door. Consider the weather conditions. Dallas weather can be unpredictable, so it's essential to consider the timing of your door replacement. While most door replacements can be completed quickly, it's a good idea to plan the work during a time of year when conditions are more predictable, such as spring or fall. Extremely hot summer days or rainy periods might cause delays or disrupt the installation process. If you must schedule the replacement during a time of uncertain weather, be prepared for potential delays or the need for temporary weatherproofing. Prepare for a short-term disruption. And finally, it's essential to be mentally prepared for a short-term disruption to your daily routine. The door replacement process typically takes a few hours but can extend longer depending on the complexity of the installation. While the work is being done, you might experience noise, dust, and some disruption to your regular flow of activities. Having a flexible mindset and being patient will help ensure that the project goes smoothly and that you'll be able to enjoy your new door sooner rather than later. Conclusion. Replacing a door in your Dallas home doesn't have to be a hassle. By planning ahead and preparing your home for the installation process, you can ensure a smooth and successful door replacement project. Whether you're upgrading an entryway, adding a new patio door, or replacing interior doors, a little preparation goes a long way in reducing stress and making the entire experience a success. Happy renovating!